Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study English of class 2. In our previous lecture, we have done the conversation part and today we will discuss the paragraph of reading for information. Take out your vision books and open up page number 26. In this lesson, we have studied about a scientist who comes to school, and in this paragraph, we will read about a great Muslim scientist. Who was the great Muslim scientist? Al-Razi. We will study about Al-Razi today. Who was Al-Razi? Al-Razi was a great Muslim doctor. Who was Al-Razi? He was a great Muslim doctor. He was born in Iran. He was born in Iran. As a young boy, he loved to read and observe things around him. He would ask his father a lot of questions. He wanted to learn about as many things as he could. He never wasted his time. In this paragraph, they are explaining that who was Al-Razi? He was a great doctor. Where was he born? He was born in Iran. And when he was young, he loved to read things. He loved to observe things. So he asked many questions from his father. He wanted to learn about many things as he could. So he never wasted his time. Al-Razi studied mathematics, astronomy, chemistry, and many other subjects. When he grew up, he became a doctor. He told his patients how important it was to be clean and eat proper food. What are the subjects? He studies maths, astronomy, chemistry, and many subjects. He studied maths, astronomy, chemistry, and many other subjects. And with the passage of time, as he grew up, so he became a doctor. And he told his patients that how important it is to be clean. He told his patients that how important it is to be clean and to eat proper food. He informed the doctor about the smallpox and measles. He informed the doctors about the smallpox and the measles and how to treat them. He traveled great distances to treat the kings and rulers of many countries. He traveled great many distances to treat many kings and the rulers of the countries. So he wrote many books. He was a very good teacher and he was one of the greatest Muslim doctors in the world. Al-Razi was one of the greatest Muslim doctors in the world. Now we have done the reading of page number 23. Now it's your homework to read this paragraph and underline the difficult words. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.